I was juggling tons of different AI tools to write, create images, and make videos. And honestly, it got confusing and way too expensive, like buying a new Lamborghini every few months. So I kept asking myself, is there a simpler, cheaper way to do it all? That's when I found GlobalGPT, an all-in-one AI toolbox with over 100 tools, all for one low, one-time price. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or a student, this could save you a ton of time and money. But here's the real question. Is it actually worth it? In this video, I'm putting GlobalGPT to the test to find out. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. All right, getting started is super quick and easy. Just click the link in the description below, and you can sign up using your personal account or Gmail. It takes less than a minute, seriously. Once you're in, check out the interface. It's clean, simple, and really easy to use. No confusing menus or clutter. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Now let me show you how it works in action. For demo, I'm starting with GPT-4o and asking it to write an article about the importance of cloud computing in education. It quickly gives me a clear and well-structured article. Here's something cool. You can compare different AI tools side by side. I added Claude 3.7 from Anthropic, so both GPT-4o and Claude show up at the top. It's really easy to switch between them. I asked Claude to write the same article, and it gave me perfectly formatted content too. If you're buying image tools often, you probably know about Ideogram, Flux, or Midjourney. Text models are just the start, but what about creating stunning images? GlobalGPT gives you access to several great image generation tools. For this demonstration, let's check out Midjourney because it's one of the best turning simple prompts into cinematic, detailed artwork. Just type your idea into the prompt box, pick the image resolution you want, and then customize the settings like style, lighting, and image quality. It's super easy and lets you create exactly the look you're going for. But wait, there's more. You also get Flux, another powerful AI image generator that usually costs extra, but it's included here. So with GlobalGPT, you're really getting a full package packed with value. Now, if you thought the images were cool, wait till you see the video tools. This is the part you've been waiting for. GlobalGPT has two big AI video generators, Runway ML and Luma AI. Let me show you how they work. First, I'm trying Runway. I asked it to create a video of a man riding a horse, and just like that, the video is ready, smooth, and clear. But the real game changer is Luma AI. It makes photorealistic 3D-style videos. I asked it to make a scene of army fights on the LOC with a 16:9 ratio. The result? Incredible depth, motion, and quality. Now here's the part I know you're curious about. How much does it actually cost, and how much did I pay to get access? You can pick a monthly subscription plan that works for you, but if you want to save more than half, the annual plan is definitely the best choice. Just how cheap is it? If you want to save even more time and money with AI tools, check out my video AI Music Generator Just Saved My YouTube channel, where I reveal some amazing AI hacks to boost your productivity and cut costs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the link right here to watch it next. You're going to love it. And let me know in the comments which AI tool you want me to try out next.